Scots were hey, we Wallace bled, Scots and Brus has oft times led. Welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front of battle, Lord. See approach Prince Edward's power, chains and slavery. War will be a traitor's knave, war will fill a coward's grave. What's the beast to be a slave? Let him turn and flee. War for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw. Free man stand, a free man fall, let him follow me. By oppressions, woes and pains, by your sons in servile chains, we will dream no dearest fames, but we shall be free. Lay the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall in every foe, liberties in every blow, let us do our deed. Scots way, we Wallace bled, Scots and Brus has oft times led. Welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front of battle, Lord. See approach Prince Edward's power, chains and slavery. Chains and slavery. Chains and slavery.